Hello, myself Ashutosh Kumar over DAV Runisarpur and Sitamarhi. With the help of Tata Ace class, today we are going to discuss about the chapter reproduction of class 10. सबसे पहले इसमें हम लोगों को जानना है कि हाउ रिप्रोडक्शन इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर वन ऑर्गेनिज्म. So the basic fact is that if any organism just take birth over this earth, they have to continue their race. They must have to reproduce. Means यदि कोई जीव इस धरती पे है तो अपने अस्तित्व को बचाए रखने के लिए उसको रिप्रोडक्शन करना बहुत कंपल्सरी है. अगर वो रिप्रोड्यूस नहीं करेगा तो क्या होगा? They are simply going to be vanished from this earth. अब सबसे पहले हम लोग टॉपिक समझते हैं इस चैप्टर के अंतर्गत कौन कौन से टॉपिक को हम लोग को टैकल करना है. तो सबसे पहला टॉपिक यही है, व्हाई रिप्रोडक्शन इज एसेंशियल. मींस सिंपली द क्वेश्चन इज अराइजन ओवर द कंटेंट मटेरियल इज दैट व्हाई एन ऑर्गेनिज्म must have to reproduce. It's a very simple content which right now I have discussed you. If we want to be survive, then we must have to reproduce so that our species can be existence for prolonged duration until and unless the earth is going to be existed. जब तक धरती है तब तक अगर जीवन को सतत चलाए रखना है तो रिप्रोडक्शन की प्रक्रिया बहुत अनिवार्य है. अगला टॉपिक आता है टाइप्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, जिसमें हम लोग सेक्सुअल और एसेक्सुअल के बारे में समझेंगे. अब एसेक्सुअल सबसे पहले कंटेंट मटेरियल को समझना है, इन विच वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फ्यूजन, रीजनरेशन, बर्डिंग, स्पोर फॉर्मेशन, फ्रैगमेंटेशन एंड वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन. क्लियर है? तो हम लोग अब क्या करते हैं, जस्ट मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, सी व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी हैपन एंड व्हाट आर द कंटेंट मटेरियल अवेलेबल ओवर दिस teaching that. First of all, there is a simple definition of reproduction. As we can see over here, reproduction is a process. What is it? It is a simply process. Which type of process? It is a process in which organisms are responsible to produce the new living organism, and that must be of their own kind. It means humans are not going to produce the animals and animals are not going to produce the humans. Means species are confined. The particular species are responsible to reproduce their own types of young ones. From this simple definition, we can say that it is a process in which organism produces new living organism of its own kind. Now, what about the second point? The reproduction is essential to continue life. One, the earth, or to ensure the continuity of the life on the earth. The very first topic of the introduction content material, which we had just gone through in the previous page, why reproduction is essential. Why reproduction is essential? This one, okay, this one material just shows us this one, this topic just answered over here. Over the second page here, reproduction is essential to continue life. Life, one, the earth, or to ensure the continuity of the life. It means if there is no reproduction, what happens? The life is not going to be continuing over the earth's surface. Now the next topic, next point is reproduction gives rise to more organisms with some basic characteristics as their parents have. Right now we have discussed these things also, that the organism is responsible to reproduce only the species of their own kind, and this reproduction event is especially responsible to give rise the same types of young ones. Now we are moving to the next page. We have to understand how many types of reproduction are there. First of all, we have to understand simply the reproduction is the process in which we are going to produce the young ones. The young ones may be produced by the involvement of single organism or might be by the involvement of two organisms, their gender must be different. यदि इकलौता organism, single organism is going to give raise young ones, then this type of reproduction is simply known as asexual. It is made up of similar word which sexual is having a in front of it. This is sexual, and in front of sexual there is one word a. And as we know that in the field of biology, if there is simple terminologies having a, it means it is the just opposite of the previous one. What is the meaning of sexual one? The sexual one is that in which the male and female produces the gametes, and the gametes fuse by the process of fertilization lead to the formation of the zygote, and that process is generally considered as the sexual reproduction. It means in the sexual reproduction process, the process of fertilization is very important. Fertilization is one of the important events for the sexual reproduction. Similarly, right now we have discussed if there is A, it means it is just opposite of the previous one. Then we have to simply understand that in the case of asexual reproduction, what happens? The fertilization process is not going to be happening. Then what is the event known as? The single organism have the capacity to produce the young one, then that type of reproduction is simply going to be called as asexual reproduction. Is it clear to everyone? Now moving to the next page. The definition of asexual reproduction. Simply it is given that the process of formation of new organism. Simply we have discussed in the beginning of the chapter, it is the process of just giving rise to the young ones. एक ऐसी प्रक्रिया जिसमें हम लोग किसी नए जीव का उत्सर्जन मतलब उसको जनरेट कर रहे हैं, बना रहे हैं, और वो बनाने की प्रक्रिया जो होगी वो रिप्रोडक्शन कहलाएगा. तो न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. एंड दिस फॉर्मेशन इज परफॉर्म विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिंगल पैरेंट. इकलौता पैरेंट क्या करेगा? कैपेबल होगा न्यू ऑर्गेनिज्म को रेज करने के लिए. एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इज सिंपली कॉल्ड एज asexual reproduction. Now the next definition, the similar definition, but the words are differently expressed over here. We can simply answer it by our words also. The next one is the production of new organism. Production of new organism from single parent. In the previous page, I had discussed you the involvement of sex cells. It means the gamete and the process of fertilization. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Without what put here and without what this without say about the involvement of the sex cells. It means there is no gametes involved, and gametes are involved to perform the process of fertilization. Okay, and in this context we are going to understand that the process of fertilization is not going to be performed. That's why it is simply considered as the asexual reproduction. Clear? Now the next one, examples are the binary fission such as happens in the amoeba, budding in the case of hydra, spore formation in rhizopus, regeneration in planaria, vegetative propagation in rose. These are the types of asexual reproduction. It is the simplest method of the reproduction in which simple division takes place. Now the next context. Simply in the overall scenario of the reproduction chapter, we have to understand only two words which lead to the formation of the new young ones, either by the process of fuse or by the process of fees. Fuse means to split, to break. अब which one is going to be break? टूटेगा कौन? जो अकेला होगा. जुड़ेगा कब? जब दो होगा. Fuse means simply means addition. मतलब दो आपस में जुड़ करके न्यू यंग का फॉर्मेशन करवाएंगे तो फ्यूजन कहलाएगा. जैसे we just read in the topic of the sexual reproduction that the sex cells just fuse with each other and that fusing is called as fertilization. But in the case of asexual reproduction, we are going to discuss about that. The splitting process is going to be performed. And the splitting process is going to be performed. Now, the very first one content is that of different types of asexual reproduction. The very first one is the fission, second one is the budding, then fragmentation, regeneration, spore formation and vegetative propagation. Is it clear to everyone? Very first topic we are now going to discuss the fission reproduction. Right now we have discussed that there is two events going to be performed. पहला होगा टूटेगा, दूसरा होगा जुटेगा. और asexual में हमेशा क्या होगा? Splitting होगा, means breakdown होगा. Clear है? Simply in the case of fission we can say that it is going to be split. How split? Single parent is going to be split into two individual young ones, that is daughter young one. Understand? Now we just go to the definition over here. What is the definition? In fission a unicellular organism splits or divides into two or more new organism. The simple word we have to just recognize, the keyword याद रखना है. That one is the split one. The split one in which the splitting of the single parent. रोको थोड़ी देर. कौन बात कर रहा है? The simple process over here that fission in which splitting is going to be performed. Splitting means the single parent is going to be divided into two or more than two young ones. Okay. If only two is formed, then this process is called as binary fission. Suppose if the more than two is going to be formed, then what happens? This is called as multiple fission reproduction. Get my point?
Yes, sir.
सिंपल सा बात जिसमें सिंगल ऑर्गेनिज्म स्प्लिट करके एक से ज्यादा ऑर्गेनिज्म को दो से ज्यादा ऑर्गेनिज्म का फॉर्मेशन करेगा, then that is called multiple. What is the meaning of multiple? More than two. Or what is the meaning of bi? In the computer language we can simply say that bi means formation of two. There is one interesting fact about the binary fission reproduction. By this process the organism which generally reproduce, they are considered as immortal. It means they are not going to die in their whole lifespan. मतलब उनको एक तरीके से अमर माना जाता है क्योंकि मृत्यु के पश्चात डेड रेसिड्यू रिमेन्स रहना अनिवार्य है. लेकिन बाइनरी फिजन में क्या होता है? पेरेंट ही स्प्लिट करके यंग वंस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, which is considered as the daughter cell because they have again the capacity to divide into two or more young ones. Understand? Now we are going to understand the definition of the binary and the multiple fission reproduction. In binary fission, a unicellular organism splits or divides to form two or new organisms. Simple, bi means two. Bi मतलब दो होता है. कंप्यूटर का लैंग्वेज आप लोग पढ़ते होंगे उसमें बाइनरी सिस्टम कोडिंग डिकोडिंग में पढ़ाया जाता है जो 0 and 1 होता है. Similarly, in the case of bio, also not even the bio, whenever we see the bi word relevant with any kind of basic word, it means there is two things are involved. Clear? Now, what about the multiple fission? Multiple fission. Binary fission, when the amoeba cell has reached its maximum साइज ऑफ ग्रोथ। लिसन, जब भी रिप्रोडक्शन का प्रोसेस परफॉर्म होगा, मैच्योरिटी इज वेरी बेसिक कंटेंट ऑफ द reproduction. Without maturation, if there is a process of reproduction performed, then there is might be chances the parent is going to be collapsed. बिना पूरे तरीके से व्यस्त अवस्था में आए हुए कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म अगर रिप्रोड्यूस करता है तो पैरेंटल बॉडी पे उसका कार्ड इफेक्ट पड़ता है। दैट्स व्हाई द गवर्नमेंट हैज आल्सो फिक्स्ड a stipulated date of marriage so that one can reproduce and they cannot be hampered. जैसे बॉयज के केस में 21 इयर्स है और गर्ल्स के केस में भी चेंजेस हुआ, पहले 18 था 21 कर दिया गया है, सो दैट दे कैन आल्सो गेट सेवरल चांसेस टू बिकम समथिंग। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज परफॉर्मिंग। मींस सिंपली वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इफ वन हैड जस्ट attained the maximum size of growth, means maximum maturity, then and then they are going to reproduce. What happens in the case of amoeba? After that, the cytoplasm of amoeba divides. Very first thing is going to be happen. The cytoplasm is going to divide. Then, very first thing, the nucleus is going to be divided. Then, cytoplasm is going to divide, and the splitting of the parent cell just be performed for the formation of two daughter cells. Okay. Now, simply with the help of diagram over here, we can understand it that there is one parent amoeba cell. What happens? The nucleus is going to be splitting up. The splitting of nucleus is also known as karyokinesis. Means synthesis of nucleus. Kinesis word means synthesis. Karyo means nucleus. The nucleus is going to be split, led to the formation of two different nucleus. Then after what happens? The cytokinesis is going to be happening. Cytokinesis. Cyto means cytoplasm division is going to be take place, and then the two individual daughter cells is going to be happen. And this process is simply considered as the binary fission reproduction. I hope this video helps you a lot to the data class age to get much more knowledge. Thanks a lot.